We came back, we wanted to play the stuff you loved. We released an album, a couple of those songs banged. Now we've got some new music. We just dropped a song, it's called Livin' the Dream. It's dedicated to an electrician called Ethan. Let's do it! Just feel it! Rizzle Kicks! Hey, hey, hey! We're gonna go in there! Belladrum, let's go! Hey, hey! Belladrum, let's go! Jack, let's have it, Jack! We're going, let's go! I drank water for £8 coffee. Oh dear! Spending cash and my name is Pat and my name is Johnny. Golly gosh! What a shock! Getting scammed but I still act jolly. Hello! I just wanna chill but it's all to do with the pen trying to rob me. You and again, just take my money. I wanna be free. Go on, sing it. Steady cruising. Climb out of sin. I wanna be free. Like I'm dreaming. I wanna be free. Let's do it, lads. Let's do it. How much life would be? You're living a dream. You're living a dream. You're living a dream. 24/7, 365, mate. Who's in my car back? Do they really wanna lose my heart? Seeing bright skies even when it's overcast. Cross my circle like Odegaard. I'm a nice guy, but I'm saying no to harm. A short choice, close fist or an open palm. What? Get rude, get rolled in a spit thrill. You were close by no cigar. Run free with my enemies. In a red like an overdraft. Wow. I got loads of scars. Still trying to add wealth to my phones and past. I grow fast like I mowed the grass. I make some bars overhead like I'm overstaffed. What? Life's hard and it's so bizarre. You gotta row that boat to the ocean's arms. It's all good when I know the done. I'm living the dream.